India Omicron surge. Super mutant virus rises. But have you let down your guard? Massive crowds at shopping zones. Popular tourist spots chock-a-block. Can India afford to be this callous? Christmas New Year revelers beware. Year-end monster surge scare.
The super spreader Omicron that has raised the alarm across the globe is posing threat in India as well. The nationwide tally is at 155 after fresh infections in Kerala, Karnataka and Gujarat. Delhi has recorded 2 more cases of Omicron, taking the total tally to 24. In view of the rising cases in the national capital, Delhi LG Anil Baijal has called for a review meeting with DDMA and the Delhi government. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Health Minister Satyendra Jain, Niti Aayog member VK Paul and Delhi Chief Secretary Vijay Dev will attend this meeting. Maharashtra continues to be the worst impacted states, where 54 people have tested positive. They've been infected by the new variant of COVID-19. Telangana has logged 13 more Omicron cases, taking the total tally to 20 in Telangana. Maharashtra government has imposed prohibitory orders till 31st of December. Section 144 had been imposed across the state. The state government had also banned all big Christmas and New Year Eve events in view of the situation. The government cited Mumbai being a transit hub for imposing such strict curbs. Despite the Union Health Ministry's repeated appeal to people to follow COVID protocols at markets and other public places, huge crowds were seen flocking to the markets in Delhi. The very famous Sarojini Nagar market in Delhi witnessed several people without masks, without social distancing. My colleague Sushant Mehra with this report.
देश के अलग अलग राज्यों के साथ राजधानी दिल्ली में भी कोरोना का जो आंकड़ा है वो 100 के करीब पहुंचता हुआ नजर आ रहा है और इसी आंकड़े के बीच बेपरवाह लोग कोरोना की तीसरी लहर को कभी भी दस्तक दे सकते हैं। इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं दिल्ली के सरोजनी नगर मार्केट में। चारों तरफ जो आप भीड़ देख रहे हैं वो कोरोना की तीसरी लहर को कभी भी दस्तक दे सकती है, क्योंकि 2 गज की दूरी और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग और मास्क जैसे नियमों को पालन यहाँ पर लोग करते हुए नजर नहीं आ रहे हैं।
एक तरफ देखा जाए तो हम लोगों को थोड़ा अच्छा भी लगा कि फेस्टिवल टाइम में हमारा काम थोड़ा बहुत हुआ, पर इस तरीके का क्राउड देख के जो है अब डर लगने लगा कि कहीं फिर से ये तीसरी लहर की जो दस्तक हुई है कि उसकी वजह से लॉकडाउन ना हो जाए। हम लोग अपनी दुकान के जिम्मेवार है, दुकानों के अंदर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग हम लोगों ने रखी हुई हैगी, पर ये जो बाहर की जो ये पब्लिक ये जो भीड़ हैगी इसको रोकने के लिए तो प्रशासन का काम हैगा ना, पुलिस का काम हैगा।
Saurabh Akhtani is now joining us from Mumbai. Saurabh, as we saw in Delhi at the Sarojini Nagar market, there is no social distancing. People are not wearing masks, and the tally of Omicron is also going up right here in the national capital. As far as Mumbai is concerned, there is a lot of talk about prohibitory orders and lots of restrictions in place to prevent the spread of COVID. But the implementation of all these guidelines, is that happening on ground?
So Jyoti, first of all, yes, most of the people are seen wearing masks, but if you can see some people behind me, there people you will find that they don't wear masks properly. Their masks are below the chin. But when we speak about the Omicron cases in the state of Maharashtra, every day there is a rise in cases. Even yesterday, in last 24 hours, 6 new cases of Omicron have been detected in the state of Maharashtra. And let me tell you, every single day there are some of the other cases been in the city of Mumbai, which was the hotspot in last 2 waves. All the cases have been detected from the Mumbai airport itself. The good thing is that after 54 total Omicron cases in the state of Maharashtra, 28 have been discharged, they have recovered. And the patients who are still admitted, they have only very mild symptoms. Most of them have been double vaccinated. Now, the most important part is about the New Year party. Now, Mumbai is known for its party. Lot of booking has already been done in the restaurant and pub places. What the BMC is saying, that the capacity, they are continuously bringing it down. Earlier, it was 50%. Now at open places, it has been brought down to 25%. The BMC officials and the minister still says that if the cases continues to rise, the parties can get cancelled and the number of people who can attend this party may even still come down. So the fear amongst the restaurant and the pub owners is lot. BMC is trying it very hard so that the people wear masks, social distancing can be followed. But let me tell you, as everything is now open, we are witnessing how trains and public transports are completely jam-packed, completely crowded. But yes, there is a fear of Omicron, and the BMC is now trying to curb the situation. Like what they are doing is they are going to take a review meeting in a week's time, and they see continuous rise in the cases of COVID-19. Surely they are going to take strict action by next week or so.
Absolutely. So Saurav Bakhtania is getting us the latest ground report from Mumbai as far as the markets are concerned and whether these guidelines and their implementation is really happening on ground or not. We here at India Today are making sure we do the check so that you remain safe. Shreya Chatterjee is joining us from Delhi. Shreya, there is a rise in Omicron cases. What are you picking up from the markets in Delhi, and why is there no enforcement of the COVID-related guidelines? We see those visuals on our screens right now, and just look at that. There is zero social distancing. Most people are not even wearing masks.
Well, absolutely so. Right now, the situation on the ground is with the increasing Omicron cases, we're seeing that quite a number of curbs being actually introduced by different particular states. As we talk, it's important to mention that a virtual meeting is also under its way by the Delhi Disaster Management Authority, and they will probably be taking a stock of the situation so far as the national capital is concerned. What you see behind me is the current kind of situation that is being monitored outside every particular metro station in the national capital. You can see that people being randomly picked for RT-PCR tests, and this has been ongoing since the past couple of days, ever since the Omicron scare. Whether or not there will be further tightening of curbs, which other states have also introduced, and that will similarly be repeated in the national capital, is something that needs to be watched out once the DDMA virtual meeting comes to an end.
All right, we leave it at that. Thanks, Shreya, for getting us up to speed with the very